Hello children, welcome back to computer summary video. Today we are going to see the summary of our third chapter, that is creating files and folders, and we had a practical session in our interactive classes, right? How to create the folders and files. Okay, first of all let me explain what is file and what is folder. So file in the sense what we work on each document, that it may be Word document or it may be Excel sheet or spreadsheet or it may be presentation, that is PPT. Okay, these are all called as files. So coming to folders. So folders, what we will do, the group of documents or the group of files. So we will be working in many Excel sheets and many documents, right? So we can save in a single folder. Okay, that is called folder. So don't make confuse between files and folders. Files where we work on and the folders where we save all the files together in the folder. Okay. Then now we are going to see about how we are doing that operations in a file. Okay, that file means the Word document. So Microsoft Word documents has its parts, right? And we had an interactive session regarding this window. So we can see address bar at the top and there is a task bar at the bottom where the start button will be present, and the status bar and file list where we can see the list of office button, and the search box. If we need to search anything, the information that regarding file name or folder name, we can go to search box and we need to type the name of that file or folder. So we can view, and these are all the parts of that Word document, and we are going to do some operations, right? So we are performing such as this operation, that is create, rename, copy, move, search, delete, recycle bin, change the view. So let us see one by one. So create. So what we did in the first thing, we created a document to work on that, right? So first you need to go for start button. Just you need to give the Microsoft Word in the search box. The Microsoft window, that is the Word window, will be appearing. So just start working. You can type the leave letters or you can type the birthday letters, wishing letters, anything you can type, and you can save in the name. And if we need to rename that document, what we need to do? We need to right click on that file name, and we will be having the window option window. So in that window we can find the rename option. So click on that rename. So the blinking letters will be appearing. You can rename your file. And next thing, copy. We can copy from C drive to E drive, and I have showed how to copy this in the interactive session, right? And move. We can move from one drive to another drive, and we have 3 drives in our laptops and computers normally, right? That is E drive, C drive and F drive. So we can move from one drive to another drive. The files and folders both we can move. And next one is search. By using search option, we can search the files and we can search the folders also. So next one is delete. Just you need to right click on that file, and the delete option, the option box will be appearing. You can see the delete option there. Just you can give the delete, and once you delete, all the files and folders will be saved in the recycle bin. So it won't delete permanently, it will be all storing in the recycle bin. So if we need to restore any files suddenly, so we can go to recycle bin, just click on that recycle bin, all the files will be opened. So just give click and we can restore them. And finally change the view. And this I have showed in the interactive session, how to change the view of window and how to change the view of notification bar and icons view. Yes, this all we discussed in the interactive classes. So children, please try to have the practical session in your personal computers. So it will be easy to understand how to create the files and how to create the folders. Okay children, I hope you all understood. So let us meet in next video. Thank you.